friends, welcome back. So today's video is going to be very interesting. That's what I'm hoping. And yes friends, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon because it's going to notify you of all the new videos as soon as we upload it. If you like this video after watching it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. So okay friends, let's see what we are watching today. So today's video is latest funny videos of Rahul Gandhi. And it says Rahul Gandhi comedy and Rahul Gandhi funny speech. So friends, without wasting any more time, let's watch this and hopefully we'll have some laughter. So let's go ahead.
पतलून मेड इन चाइना, टोपी मेड इन चाइना, जूता मेड इन चाइना, पंखा मेड इन चाइना। ये जो मेड इन चाइना शब्द लिखा है ना, इसको हम मिटा के मेड इन भोपाल करेंगे। तो करना, परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से। ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर।
15 मिनट के भाषण के दरमियान कम से कम 5 बार श्रीमान विश्वेश्वरैया जी का नाम का उल्लेख 5 बार कर दीजिए।
विश्वेश्वरैया, विश्वेश्वरैया, विश्वेश्वरैया। सीपी जोशी जी, गायखानगम गंगमय जी, सचिन तेंदुलकर। ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
इसके मुंह में पैदाशी सुपारी है, ये तोतला है।
मुझे प्रधानमंत्री बना दो तो सूरज उस साइड से उठता है, उसको इस साइड से उठा दूंगा।
कुछ लोगों को उम्र तो बढ़ती है लेकिन समझ नहीं बढ़ती है, तो समझने में बड़ी देर है।
और ये राजनीतिक बात नहीं, ये नेशनल सिक्योरिटी का क्वेश्चन है। इस देश को इस जवाब का सवाल देना ही पड़ेगा, चॉइस नहीं है।
जवाब का सवाल,
और इस जवाब का सवाल देना ही पड़ेगा, चॉइस नहीं है।
जवाब का
और
सवाल।
मैं हैरान हूं, कोई सवाल का जवाब तो मैं दे सकता हूं, लेकिन जवाब का सवाल मैं कैसे दूं? ये ऐसे नेता हैं तो जवाब का सवाल मांगते हैं, जिनको ये समझ नहीं है कि पहले सवाल आता है तो पहले जवाब आता है। क्या ये आपका भला करेंगे क्या?
Don't make me prime minister, he says. Make me the chokidar. He says he took the vote from the people of India and became the chokidar of Mr. Anil Ambani. 30,000 crore rupees given to Mr. Anil Ambani.
उसको कन्वर्ट करके बोलना है ना, ट्रांसलेट करना है। He has to translate it. He can't do it.
He has never made an aircraft in his entire life. But he's given the world's biggest defense contract. And then in every speech the Prime Minister speaks of corruption. Prime Minister. We are going to do a surgical strike on poverty. We are going to do a surgical strike on poverty.
ये कैसे आदमी तूने पाल रखे हैं? अगर ज्यादा दिन इनके साथ रहा ना तो कोई तेरा ही पत्ता बिछा देगा।
The factories stop producing things. I'll give you the example of the rubber industry. Ask the people who worked in the rubber industry before taking this step. Nirav Modi takes a bank loan and doesn't return the money. He does not go to jail.
खड़े नहीं हो पाएंगे लोग। स्पीकर मैडम, सॉरी चेयरमैन सर, भैया मैं आरएसएस का नहीं हूँ, मैं गलतियां करता हूँ, एक दो चीजें मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूं। बदलाव की बात आपने कही, नियम और कानून की बात मैं कहना चाहता हूं। कांग्रेस पार्टी एक ऐसा संगठन है, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा राजनीतिक संगठन है, मगर इसमें नियम और कानून नहीं चलते। एक भी नियम और कानून इस पार्टी में नहीं। हम हर 2 मिनट नए नियम बनाते हैं, पुराने नियम को दबा देते हैं, और यहाँ शायद किसी को भी नहीं मालूम
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
नियम क्या है।
What is he saying?
प्रधानमंत्री अपनी आंख मेरे आंख में नहीं डाल सकते। प्रधानमंत्री अपनी आंख मेरे आंख में नहीं डाल सकते। आजकल एक व्यक्ति है जो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में गुजरात की बात करते हैं। गुजरात को अगर किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को अमूल दिया है, गुजरात को दूध दिया है, तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है, गुजरात की महिलाओं ने दिया है।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
अब इमोशनल बात कहना चाहता हूं, दिल की बात कहना चाहता हूं। This morning, I got up at night. This morning,
How you are going to help those children when who are not able to even understand one or two lines?
Can I ask you a counter question? How are you going to help them?
As a citizen, if I can give it 2 hours, 3 hours,
So not as a citizen, as a young Indian. How are you going to help?
Young Indian is not a citizen.
please answer my question first, then I will answer you.
Try. How would you help?
So my question, if I had any answer, then I would have not asked you this question.
गुजरात और एक से 2 बच्चे भूखे हैं, मेलनरिस्ट हैं। यहाँ पे तुम्हारे खेत से पैसे नहीं बन रहे हैं, वो देखो चांद है, उस पे मैं तुम्हें खेत दूंगा। आने वाले समय में वहां तुम आलू उगाओगे, वहां मैं मशीन लगाऊंगा, और फिर आलू को वापस हम गुजरात में लाएंगे। ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा। इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो। इतना पैसा बनेगा, पता नहीं होगा क्या करना है पैसे का।
What is he doing? Blinking eyes.
हो गए राहुल जी। तो कार्यकर्ता जानना चाहते हैं आपकी कुछ संस्करण जो आपने कैलाश यात्रा के दौरान एक्सपीरियंस किया।
Where's the answer?
कैलाश जो कैलाश जो पर्वत है, वो जो मानसरोवर है, अगर व्यक्ति वहां चला जाता है तो एक प्रकार से वापस आने पे सब कुछ बदल जाता है, सोच बदल जाती है।
He's drinking. Look.
छह हैं ऊपर आ रहे हैं या अभी उनसे मैं मिलूंगा। 6 कैंडिडेट है, वो आपके लिए लड़ाई लड़ते हैं, सबके सब नाम लड़ाई लड़ते हैं। कहाँ है उनके नाम?
नाम ही नहीं मिल रहा।
सबके सब नाम
नाम
लड़ते हैं। कहाँ है उनके नाम?
Copies text from mobile to write condolence message during Nepal. Oh, he's copying it and writing it from the phone. What to write?
मेरे जैसा बेवकूफ इस देश में नहीं है।
Oh my God. So friends, this was mind blowing. It was so funny. Not a second went by, and the best thing is in this video, the kind of music, the background that they had created was
that was the bigger thing. In the video, they have shown a kid crying and
Laughing
laughing.
Bola!
Yeah. So I think the video was they have taken the clips of places where Mr. Gandhi has made some errors in talking, and many times when people speak, they do make some errors, and he has very cleverly taken all the places he has made the errors and brought them together to show, and added Salman Khan somewhere laughing and all those things. So I think we should not we have to look at things in some context, like over
like
here.
what contest?
I mean-
They were saying, I'll take you to moon and I'll change potatoes into gold. I don't know what context can I take it into. I mean, what is he thinking? Is he thinking people are stupid? How can you? We've not even reached moon yet, and he's going to go there, make khet where there's no water, and he's going to convert potatoes into gold, and then he says he'll bring it back to Gujarat.
Right, so some places, he has made some errors. Like he was asking about somebody asked him a question and he asked him back, let me ask you a counter question, what is the answer? So basically, that is what he did, right? Somebody asked him ABC and he's saying, okay, let me ask you a counter question, what is the answer? So basically, he's just asking them. That is why the person said, if I knew the answer, why would I ask you? So that was a little bit crazy.
Poor guy was like, where am I stuck? Why did I bother to ask a question?
Right. And then the other one was good ki ye answer hai, matlab this is the answer. What is the question? Right? This is what you're saying. This is the answer, but what is the question? That can somebody find out the question for this answer?
And poor Modi ji.
And he was saying the same thing. I can tell you the answer to a question, but I can't tell you the question to an answer.
And the expressions of Modi ji were fantastic.
Right. I think he probably needs to improve on his Hindi, because one place he said ki apni aankhein meri aankhon mein daloge.
Instead of saying aankh se aankh nahi mila sakte, that means you cannot look back and stare into my eyes. He's saying, can you put your eyes in my eyes?
So I think some of the things is, as I see it, I think Mr. Rahul Gandhi probably needs to practice more Hindi. That's
But why doesn't he know Hindi?
Because he needs to practice more Hindi, because in his subconscious mind probably he's thinking something else and then it comes out in a different way. And he just needs to practice, because he practices more Hindi, he'll get it better and better. And he did say, the only thing is that he has always taken this in stride. So that I like about him. He's always smiling.
Yeah.
He makes a mistake. One time he showed his tongue also. Whoops.
Just like we do when we make some mistake like this, right?
So he looks like a person who is a kind of easy-going person, and if he makes any mistakes, he takes it like that. And then the weird part was the translator guy. which he was saying something, and the
And he's
translator
giving
guy
such
is
an
what,
expression.
and he's saying something, the translator guy is what. So it was like, I think they have got the wrong translator guy, and he was telling him, repeating again and again. At one point he was like, man, I'm tired with you giving any translations. So I think, in some ways, I think...
But if, you know, we should commend Rahul Gandhi
Yeah.
that even after making so many mistakes, you will see that smile
Yeah.
on his face, and he has not lost his composure.
Yeah.
He's very down to earth at that point too. He's not getting nervous or angry or upset. He has that, you know, sweet expression all the time through. Even when that man who was supposed to translate, if I was in that place, I would have got irritated and I would have said, who have you got? This is some serious
Right.
talk. But he was very sweetly
Yeah.
smiling and trying to help him out.
Right.
And the best part was that guy was trying to act like him. When Rahul Gandhi was trying to do like this to his nose, he was also doing. And then he stood next to him, had his arm on that thing, you know, where he was standing, Rahul Gandhi was standing, and he was like pushing him back and saying, you use your own mic, don't come next to me. That was funny. That was really funny.
Yeah, and then he gives his mic. So I think, Mr. Rahul Gandhi was mostly smiling, happy, and he was easygoing. So that tells you maybe his nature is good. I mean, that's a separate story whether he can govern the country or not. I mean, that is for people to judge. But from all this stuff, he was looking like a very happy guy.
Yeah.
I never saw him like in an angry way. So he
Always had a smile.
and happy, easy going. And if he makes any mistakes, says, "Okay, I made a mistake." So I mean, very nice video in a light-hearted way.
Yeah.
I mean, we have nothing against him. It's just that.
In fact, I like him now
Yeah.
after watching this video because he's made me laugh, you know,
Yeah.
so much. I don't think any comedian has made me laugh as much as he has.
Right.
He has
Yeah.
beaten, I think, Kapil Sharma and all the great comedians of the world. Fantastic.
I mean, he looks to be a happy-going person and a easy-going, happy-going, and I would say some kind of innocent kind of person. So, which is nice. I mean, he probably, I don't know. I mean, if he feels that he's in a wrong place, doing wrong things, but in a wrong position, you know, the responsibility to do all, lead the Congress. But at a personal note. He was always smiling.
Yeah, which is
And
amazing.
I never saw him get angry, and that is the beauty of this.
Yeah.
You know, happiness. And if he makes mistakes, fine. I think they're all coming from the point that he probably needs to speak more Hindi. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, but I mean, this was an amazing video, guys. Really made me laugh, and I have coughed so much while laughing because I couldn't stop my laughter. And oh my gosh, this was so funny. And I think, as I was saying, you know, Rahul Gandhi did an amazing job here. I mean, his expressions were really sweet. He wasn't offended. And the one who's made this video, he also has made it beautifully so that, you know, it added more to it, which made you laugh more than had you seen it in the original way. It probably wouldn't have made you laugh that much. But guys, this is definitely something when I feel down and I need to, you know, lighten up or have a little laugh. I think I'm going to go ahead and play this video. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I hope you also had a marvelous time watching it. So, okay guys, we'll take your leave and we'll come back again with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye!